This is a 1972 Yamaha 350 R5. It's a running bike. I have rode it. Needs a bit of setting up. There's a bit of a splutter. I think the carbs need cleaning, but runs well. It's got 8,500 miles on the clock. So clutch works. I've been through the gears. The brakes work. It's got a problem with the electrics. The lights don't work. The indicators don't. When I turn the lights on, the engine cuts out. So, needs some attention.